Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and preparing wholesome and traditional meals. And today I am going to be showing you, or rather, a special guest is going to be showing you how to make Spätzle. Come here. This is my mother, and she did my hair today. She's a hairdresser and bit of a master stylist. Anyhow, she did my hair because I can't do this kind of style, so thank you. And growing up, she would make Spätzle on special occasions, like Christmas dinners, Thanksgiving dinners, that kind of thing. And it's just so good. And today I'm finally learning how to make it myself, so thank you so much for showing me the ropes. This is a traditional meal, well, side dish. So I'm really excited to show you how it's done.
I have learned to make Spätzle. I have to give her special credit. It was my mother-in-law that taught me.
Really?
Yes. She was the first one that introduced me to the Spätzle press.
I did not know that.
Yes.
And speaking, well, the Spätzle press.
It's dirty right now.
Yeah, we already made the Spätzle. Shh, it's a secret. But I'll have a link to the Spätzle press below. There's another weird way you can do it with the cutting board and like rapid fire cutting. I've never done that. You've never done that.
No.
But it's another way to do it. But the Spätzle press is, I think it's the way to go.
Yeah.
All right, so let's hop onto it. Oh, Mom, stop. Stop wrestling. If you are new to this channel, I hope you subscribe. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Vintage Kitchen Vixen. Please remember to like this video, leave a comment if there's something that you like or something that you want to share of your own experience, and share with somebody who likes German food.